In this video, I'm going to be teaching how to fix a pocket on trousers or shorts. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this pattern for the shorts, and then this is going to be used for the pocket. So it's actually going to be cut on fold. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be coming in by 1.5 from that corner. 1.5. Then I'm going to be drawing a curve from that point through to the 1.5 point to the end of the fabric and then cut out. That curve is actually to shape the pocket. So the length of this pocket is actually 10.5 inches, and then the width is about 6.5 inches. So that is it for the size of the pocket. Next thing I'm going to be doing is to mark 1.5 from the waistline at the side seam. So 1.5. After marking 1.5, I'm going to be coming down by 7 inches from the side seam, from the waistline on the side seam. Yes, so after marking the 7 inches, I'm going to be connecting from that point to the 1.5 inches and then fold it in like this. This is how it's going to be. Now on the 7 inches line, I'm going to be cutting a little bit, about 0.5 inches. And then I'm going to be fusing that side seam. So the fuse is going to be attached at the wrong side of the shorts. After fusing, I went ahead to mark that 1.5 inches and then the 7 inches plus the cutout at the side. So I'm going to be pressing it, then fold it in like this. After pressing, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to sew the pocket to the shorts. So with wrong side facing each other, I'm going to be laying it on it just like this. It's going to be on it just like this. Then I'm going to be stitching just above that line you see over there. You don't stitch on the line, but then just close to the line, not on it. If you stitch on the line and then you fold it in, it's going to show. So this is how it's supposed to be. It doesn't have to show when you fold that part in. I'm going to be stitching that part as well. After stitching, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to top stitch the pocket itself. So I'm going to be folding the side in like this and then stitch about a quarter or half of a quarter. This is just to design that part. So fold it in like this and then stitch about quarter or half of a quarter. Okay, so after stitching, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like after stitching. Next thing I'm going to be doing is to pull the pocket out like this and then flip it on this way. So remember, I marked or took 1.5 inches from the side of the pants. I'm going to be replacing that 1.5 inches on the pocket. So if you took 2 inches, you are going to replace 2 inches. If you took 3, you are going to replace 3. So after marking that 1.5, I'm just going to place it on it like this and then stitch the upper part or the waistline. So I'm actually going to stitch the waistline to prevent that part from moving when I'm stitching the lower part of the pocket. That's the only reason why I stitched that part. So after that, I'm going to be stitching the lower part of the pocket. So just fold the two together like this and then stitch. So make sure you don't stitch that line down. If you stitch it down, make sure you cut it out before you stitch. So after stitching this way, you can decide to do knitting, or you can decide to fold it in again, turn out, and then re-stitch that part. After stitching, that will be all for the pocket. So let me turn it out, press, and then show you the final outcome. So this is it for the pocket. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. See you another time. Bye.